Hi everyone, welcome! Today I have Sennheiser Accentum wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair it with your Android device. Let's get started! At first we have to bring them in our hands, like that. Now, as you can see, there's a circle button over there. We have to push it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now they are in pairing mode, so we have to scroll down her control panel on our phone, hold our finger on Bluetooth and click pair new device. As you can see, Accentum. We have to click on it and click pair. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.